Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix no signal issue on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on restart and enter your phone pin. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so reinsert SIM card. Click remove SIM tray and clean. Again insert SIM card, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So you will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix no signal issue on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.